BetaPOWER natural betaine is a nutrient that promotes improved performance. BetaPOWER natural betaine found in KAGED products is manufactured in Finland by Danisco, one of the largest and most respected food ingredient suppliers in the world. Although there are other synthetic and natural betaine products on the market, these products may not have been subjected to the same stringent tests that BetaPOWER has. BetaPOWER is, at a minimum, 99% pure and derived from molasses of sugar beets. Betaine, also known as trimethylglycine or TMG, is a methylated derivative of the amino acid glycine and exists in dark leafy vegetables, beets, shellfish, and whole wheat. In the body, betaine is produced during choline metabolism. Betaine is a glycine with 3 methyl groups bound to it, and its main functions is to methylate or transfer methyl groups to various molecules in the body. Beyond its role as a methyl donor, betaine is an osmolyte, which simply means that it promotes hydration of the cells by regulating the movement of water in and out of them. We know that this is important for performance, and because the muscles and their supported tissues require proper hydration to perform optimally. Overall, betaine is shown to improve muscular endurance at a high power output and hydrate cells. Research has shown that the ergogenic effects of betaine can be seen using 2.5 to 5 grams a day. However, servings of 2.5 a day have been shown to positively affect exercise and athletic performance. We have included BetaPOWER betaine at 1.5 grams in pre-caged and re-caged, delivering a scientifically relevant 3 gram serving of patented BetaPOWER betaine within that workout window.